In private assembly, you are going to create the DLL file. This DLL file can be, you can reuse in application 1, application 2 and application 3, so on application n. You can use this DLL file in multiple applications. But what is the drawback of this private assembly? When you are going to use this DLL file in every application, each and every time copy of the DLL will be placed here. In each and every application, copy of the DLL will be placed in the application. Whenever you are going to create the DLL file, when you compile the class library, the DLL file you are going to generate, the DLL file is generated. This DLL file you are going to use it in multiple application, in application 1, application 2 and so on. So here in application 1 also the copy of the DLL will be generated, and in the application 2 also the copy of the DLL will be generated, so that in how many applications you are going to use, in each and every application the copy of the DLL is going to generate in the private assembly, and the location of this private assembly is its own folder. But coming to the public assembly, here what happened, we are going to, when you compile the class library, DLL file is going to generate. You are going to place this DLL file in the GAC. What is this GAC? GAC stands for Global Assembly Cache. You are going to place this DLL in the GAC, and here also this DLL can be used in application 1. You can use in multiple applications. But the difference is here the copy of the DLL will not generate for the public assembly. For the public assembly, the copy of the DLL will not be generated every time as of private assembly. And here the location of the public assembly is root folder C drive, Windows or Windows NT, and you will be having assembly. It contains in the C drive, Windows and assembly. This is the location of the public assembly. So here to place this DLL in the GAC, we have to follow few steps here. First of all, after creating the DLL, you have to create the strong name key, that is SNK you can call, that is strong name key. For each and every assembly, it will, the strong name key, it provides a unique strong name key, means each and every assembly will differ with the strong name key. So to create the strong name key, we are going to use SN space -K space SN, some file name .snk. So after creating the strong name key, you have to build it in, you have to add it to the DLL. You have to add that strong name key to the DLL, and after adding the strong name key to the DLL, you have to build the solution, because the DLL will get updated. You have to build the solution, that is mandatory. And after creating this strong name key, you have to place it in the GAC. You have a command like GAC util space -I space some DLL name. So for whichever particular DLL you are going to place it in GAC, you have to name the DLL file over there. So with this you are going to add it to the GAC, Global Assembly Cache, with the GAC util space -I space DLL file name of DLL. So you are going to create the strong name key and GAC. So here whenever you use in the applications, no copy of the DLL will be generated in the public assembly.